Okay, traders, look, I am back and we are long on our USD crosses. Pound dollar, euro dollar, Aussie dollar. The golden eye is giving us some signals. I'm not going to buy euro Aussie until it breaks above this resistance level of 64.90. If it closes above there, yes, and I'll take it all the way up to 165.50. That'll give us a nice 40 pip or 60 pip run to the upside. A lot of trade signals off the golden eye today, and so far a decent trading day. We're up. Now be careful around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock Eastern. Markets tend to retrace, so I may just exit some of these positions, especially on the pound, and wait for the retracement to finish and then re-enter the market. All right, so let's look at just some further analysis. Let's see what's happening with Aussie yen. Aussie yen is still in an uptrend, but it's hitting a resistance level. I'd rather wait for a break out above the 76.92 to buy. Euro yen is recovering, but I'm still not convinced this retracement is over, so I'm going to wait for more confirmation. Euro Canadian dollar is a buy. Golden eye is giving us a trade signal. It is at the bottom of the jackhammer on a daily chart. Let's look at the other time frame. It has broken the jackhammer on the 4-hour chart. So I'm going to wait for the candle to close. I don't think I took this trade. Let me see. I was just waiting. Oh, I did take pound Canadian dollar, but I haven't taken that trade yet. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the candle to finish. And then once that candle is finished, I'll use the Fibonacci tool, look for what the extension will give us as a target. Okay, again, your Australian dollars. Notice how it just went up to that resistance level and it just retraced. That's why I don't take trades unless there's confirmation, because notice we had this resistance or support up here back yesterday, and it just reacted to that level. So unless it closes above there, we don't have a trade on Euro Aussie yet. And moving along, pound Canadian dollar, really close to the upper. I may just exit up at that level because we're up quite a bit on pound Canadian dollar, 50 pips. And usually when I'm up around 50 pips, I start looking either scale down or just exit or trade, because it's coming up to a resistance. Now, if it blows past that resistance level, great, I'll stay in the trade. But normally around 10 o'clock in the morning, currencies, especially pound, tend to retrace. Remember what happened on Friday? Huge run up, and then it just turned around and completely retraced, and that was about around 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern. Same thing with pound dollar, bouncing off that upper trend line. It's giving us a green light to stay in this trade, but again, it's moved around 50 pips. Great. Any questions on these trades? Jessica, yeah, I am doing more Pro Traders Workshop. Yeah, if you have a friend, just let me know. They can just email me. Okay. Did you move from Long Beach? You're in Colorado. How did that happen? Oh, your mother's there. Okay. All right. Yeah, you got to take care of your mother. I understand. But you can still trade. That's great. Okay. Hey guys, that's it. That's all the analysis I have right now. I'm probably going to exit some of these trades at the top of the hour. So I'm going to closely look at that 1-hour chart and see if there's not a continuation at 10 o'clock on the 1-hour chart, especially on the pound dollar. pound cat. I'll probably just exit those trades and then just wait for the retracement to finish and the re-enter the market. But they look good. I mean, usually on the Tuesday, if there's a strong direction, it usually follows through through Wednesday and Thursday. I mean, commonly that's what happens. There's a strong move to the upside downside. Of course, unless there's some high impact news in the middle of the week, and we do not have any news events for the whole week. I think we have one high impact news event that's coming out on Thursday maybe, but even that is not really anything I would even trade. All right, so I'm going to take another break, and what time is it now? Trade room will close at 11. I'll probably end the trade room earlier today, but I'll keep the go-to meeting up till 11, and that will be it, and then we'll start all over again tomorrow. Any questions before I leave? All right then, I'll see you guys in about an hour.